Hold up now, take your time, let me get this right. You're tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Narikxa. For those of you here, karibuni sana. For those who have been here, thank you so much for stopping by. So I will tell you guys that I'm buying this to make cocktails. So for today, I'm going to show you like how to make cocktails plus at home, just easy with the recipes that you can buy from home, things that you can just buy from the near market. Yeah, and since the weekend is here, tuko weekendi, like why not, let me now show you like how I prepare them. And now let's start as I show you how to prepare them. So for those who love cocktails and you want to try making yours at home, this is for you. I'm not a pro, I'm not a mixologist, so this is just 1 to 3 things that I have learned from people like me on YouTube. So hope you get to learn something too.
Miss you, air me out, tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, what can we just rub it out? I don't want no setting with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, every reminiscing, every I'm missing, I wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the line, lost in no finding love. I hate you. I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your wallet with you. Now I'm at your solid treat. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring. Switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing. Every I'm missing. You don't wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night. Wonder if I hate you. I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. If you wonder if I hate you, I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah, flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me.
Guys, that comes to the end of our video. That's the simplest way I always make my cocktails whenever I feel like having cocktails at home. So yeah, see you on my next video. Hope you got to enjoy this one. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification button, so just in case your girl here gets to upload a new video, you get notified. See you.